How to turn on or turn off Apple TV remote directional buttons on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down. And in here, tap on Apple TV Remote. Then tap on Directional Buttons. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And that's it. It said that use buttons on the iPhone Apple TV Remote instead of swipe gestures. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.